Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to send larger files in WhatsApp. So for this, what you need to do is go to the browser, then you have to choose the account that you would like to use. For example, I would like to use this account, then you have to click on the square shape, then you have to click on the drive option from here. After that, it will take a couple of seconds, then you have to click on the new option from the left hand side, and after that you have to click on the file upload, and then you have to choose the file that you would like to send. For example, I would like to send this file, and then you have to click on it. Then it will take couple of seconds according to internet speed. After that, if you click on the show file location, it will simply locate you to that place that the file has located. After that, you have to click on the three dot option from here, then you have to choose the share option from here, then you have to choose on the share option again, and then you have to choose the general access to the anyone with the link. After that, it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. Here you can see it's updating, and here you can see you can choose the access permission. For example, here you can choose the viewer, commenter, or editor. I would like to go for the viewer option from here. Then you have to click on the copy link. After that, you have to click on the done option, and then what you need to do is go to the WhatsApp. Then you have to simply choose the number that you would like to send. Then you have to simply paste the link that you would like to that you have just copied. Then after you paste it, you have to simply click on the enter, then it will simply send it to the receiver that you would like to send. After that, he or she can easily download that file. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.